How to show PowerPoint presentation in Google Meet. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Meet and make sure you have joined the meeting. After you're in the meeting, at the bottom, click on the arrow, which is Share Screen option. After you click on it, you'll find different options. Click on Window, and then make sure you have PowerPoint opened. Now, you'll find PowerPoint option in Windows section. Simply click on the PowerPoint option, press on Share at the bottom. After you do that, as you can see, the screen has been shared, and in this way, you can share your screen. This is how to show PowerPoint presentation in Google Meet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.